Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys all enjoy. If you guys enjoy this video, then subscribe down below. I first start with foundation and blend it with my beauty blender. Then I come in with a bronzer. This is from Ulta Beauty, and I put it on my cheeks and on my forehead and under my chin, and then I go in after that with a beauty blender to blend everything out. I then use this same Ulta Beauty palette and I get the banana powder to clean the bronzer that I kind of messed up on, and I just clean it all up. I then come in with highlighter just to kind of highlight the face in specific areas, and then I come in with blush afterwards. Now I do my brows that I messed up on so bad, and I do those.
Look at that shit.
And this is me trying to fix my brows that I don't think I ever fixed. I think it still looks bad. One is bigger than the other, but we're okay. I then come in with my Emilee palette and I use the shade that I always use, and I use this honestly every day. And then I come in with a red and I just kind of put it in the crease to make myself look put together. With the same Emilee palette, I'm coming in with a lighter color to highlight my inner corners, my lids, and my brow bone, just to kind of make my eyes stand out a little bit more. I then come in with this Ulta Beauty lip gloss, and I put this almost all the time because it just brings some color to my lips. Now I am coming in with my eyelash curler for the longest time, and then I come in and put on some mascara. It's kind of mascara, but it's actually brow gel, but I use it as mascara. It's just a clear coat. I put a little bit of eyeliner on it, so because I ran out of mascara, but yeah. If you guys like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want more videos just like this, then subscribe down below. And as always, spread love, because you never know what somebody is going through.